Hi, this is Sheena. Sis, kapag ba sponsor ni BF need niya ng bank account? Usually need yan. Pero yung iba naman, they don't want to share their bank details. Dito sa Norway, it's fine na hindi kami mag-submit ng bank details ng sponsor namin kasi it's illegal. Bawal yan sa batas nila. So, yung AFAM ko, he didn't give me yung bank details niya. Napraning ako about Translite kasi ayaw nga niya. Tapos, di ba sa requirement, dapat daw mag-submit, pero there's an option naman. Yung sinabit lang namin, passport niya lang. Yun lang. Tapos, certificate of residency. Pero yung ibang country, naghihingi talaga. Or if wala namang bank, yung sinasubmit nila yung about tax. Anyway naman, sa high-tech na sila or like their advance, yung name lang or yung number lang nila, malalaman na kung ano yung details nila. So, it was fine na kahit hindi kami mag-submit ng bangko niya. Kasi, alam naman ng taga-embassy na it's really illegal. It's actually illegal. I mean, kaya, depende na yun. You can check kung saan ka papunta. You can ask your sponsor kung ano yung ibang option if ayaw niya mag-submit ng bank.